we're going to relate this problem back to something that we already know. So this first one, if I was going to factor this first one, what I would do is I would take out the greatest common factor. So really, 2 goes into both, so the smallest thing that goes into both. And an x goes into both. And then I divide out a 2x in each one. The 2's cancel, one of them, and I'm left with an x. 4 divided by 2, and the x cancel. We're going to do the same thing on this next problem. Looking at these two pieces that they have in common. Well, in common, they have an x plus 2, and I'm going to take the smaller of the exponents. Well, the smaller exponent is negative 1/3. So I'm going to divide out an x plus 2 raised to the negative 1/3. Divide x plus 2 raised to the negative 1/3. I like to use brackets next just so I can see because there's so many parentheses going on. Well, these would cancel and I'm left with 3x in the first term plus 4. Now, if I want to move this up, I'm going to add 1/3 so they cancel there and add 1/3. And when I do that, I get 3/3, which is 1. So I get x plus 2 to the first power. Well, now let's just do a little bit of distributing in here. So I'm going to have a 4x plus 8 and bring down the 3x. When I combine like terms, I get 7x plus 8. And then bring down what I factored originally, which is the x plus 2 raised to the negative 1/3. And there's my final answer.